Ekyombeko eki nikija kuraza abaana 67 kandi kyombekirwe abantu okurwa muri Japan abarikwegigira omu kigombe kya Association for Aid and Relief ninga Japan AAR.
2, 3. Wow.
And I think that Uganda is now trying to develop the education systems. The district to district, region to region, different systems, different and the unique systems. But to me here, I witnessed, very successful example of the education, the whole. Not only the education, but I can see the people's smiles and the lives here.
We have already had some positive response because the learners have increased, the population has increased in the school. This means accessibility is being witnessed. However, this again comes with another challenge of classrooms. Because now the population is big, we have resorted to using tents.
Mukuru w'Obwegyese mu district ya Kikuube, Deogratius Byakagaba, nagira ngo ekinjisha kwera empungi n'abanya-Uganda abari kushomera mu eishomero eri.
Our transition rate from primary to secondary is 35%, which means out of 100 children who enroll in P1 and are able to complete P7. So 100 of them who complete P7, 35 of them are able to continue with secondary education. And you can see that transition rate is low. And what brings it about is accessibility to secondary education.
About that funding is needed as early as yesterday. We'll continue having more need for more funders to come on board. We know it very well, and it is very imperative for each and every one of you who are watching to know the global challenges that are happening in the world that are changing. Many of the partners who are here have closed office. Many people have, been laid off, and this is a challenge.
Kyangwali SS eina beegi 97 aho abeegi 97 n'abaishiki kandi 113 n'aboojo. Omugandi abembezi ba district ya Oyamu okurwa mu matemba ga Uganda batayire district y'Ibanda na general ky'okushoma bimwe habi barakorese okusya obuheereza abantu mu kicweka kyabo.
Our intention basically was about service delivery. In the national assessment performance being conducted by Office of the Prime Minister, we realized that in every financial year, Uganda performed always very fair and very well.
We first start by doing needs assessment. We don't go and impose on them. We go and ask them in this period, what are the pressing issues? In which areas do you want us to train you? Then they tell us, for us, we have this problem of coffee diseases, maybe we have a problem with banana wilt, or maybe anything that is disturbing them. Then we come back and plan.
Omu myaka ebiri ehingwire district ya Oyamu ekabe yigana 26 na 96 omu district zona mu Uganda kandi hati bagiri bando kukopa bimwe habukoryo obu bakorese mu district yabo kutungura obuheereza.
Parameters during assessment is about timelines. When do you hold the councils? When do you lay budget? When do you approve budget?
Competitions zatu zirimu units igana shanju na mukage zihanga ryone. Wonka kushanga ari urukubo wo kubanza wakozire kuboka bo wa kabiri. Byabire bimono ngo kabo wa kashatu. Mbwenu bagize muri katugende tuze kubebuza ho niceco ekikureta baguma baro batyo. Eco kubanza n'ubwebembeze burungi.
We are going to carry not for our personal use, but as we go back home, we are going to share with our electorates. We shall also one time maybe have an ample time to pose many questions. Why do we have this district structured the way it is structured? Because this district was born in 2005 and Oyamu was born in 2006. So we have come to learn from the elder brother or the elder sister.
RDC wa Oyamu bwanyuma y'omushomogu akirize ngo ubuzima Oyamu nekiburwamu kandi araganise kutamwa amani.
Observation number 1. From what they presented, I've seen we have gaps. We have what? Gaps. I will not mention them. Those are what? Our gaps. I would like to request Carl and the chairperson that from here, as we go back to Oyamu, we convene a meeting of this caliber as soon as possible next week. We go through our gaps.
Okusheba districts okurukorwa office y'enganzi y'ihanga nokureba habuhereza nkamezi obwegyese ebyamagara n'obundi buhereza gashakwa Ambrose Noga Bakatoto na Timothy Mushabi.